Welcome to my channel Maths Mama. Today we will see how to solve this kind of tricky questions. Here a is equal to root over 54 plus 3 root over 54 plus and it is continued up to infinite. B is equal to root over 54 minus 3 root over 54 minus and it is continued up to infinite. So find the value of a minus b. Here it is written a is equal to root over 54 plus 3 root over 54 plus up to infinite. So it is 54 here and it is 3. Just see only these 2 points. Now we will write 54 as the product of two factors such that their difference is 3. Yes. Now we will write 54 as the product of two numbers whose difference is 3. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So 9 into 6 is 54 and 9 minus 6 is 3. So as it is 3 written here, so the difference of the product of the factors, the factor I have chosen here, the difference of that factor must be 3. Okay, the difference of the factors will be chosen here must be 3. So 54 is equal to 9 into 6 and 9 minus 6 is 3. So it is satisfying both the conditions because 54 is equal to 9 into 6 and the difference is 3. So the value of a is equal to the bigger one, 9. So the value is the 9. And what is the value of b? B is here root over 54 minus 3 root over 54 minus 3 root over 54 minus, it is continued up to infinite. So 54 and 3 is same, but the sign is negative here. So what is the value of b? B is the smaller factor. B is the smaller factor because the sign is negative. If the sign is positive, then we can say that we have to choose the bigger factor. But as the sign is negative, so we will choose the smaller factor. So b is equal to 6. B is equal to 6. So what is the answer? A minus b is equal to 9 minus 6, 3. Here is the second question. Question 2. Root over, suppose a is equal to root over 35 plus 2 root over 35 plus up to infinite, and b is equal to root over 35 minus 2 root over 35 minus up to infinite. Find the value of a plus b is equal to what? This is 35 written here and here it is 2. So we will choose the product of the factors is equal to 35 and difference is equal to 2. So we can say that 35 is equal to 7 into 5 and the difference of 7 minus 5 is 2. So the condition is satisfied. So we can say a is equal to, as all are positive, so a is equal to the bigger factor 7 and b is equal to, both are same, only the sign is changed. So b is equal to smaller factor, this is 5, and the answer is a plus b is equal to 7 plus 5, which is equal to 12. Number 3. It is given root over 11 plus root over 9, root over 15 plus root over 13, root over 13 plus root over 12. So, find the largest number. Find the largest number. Find the largest number. So what is the trick we will apply here so that we can solve this question within seconds? Look the tricks. 11 plus 9 is equal to 20. 15 plus 13 is equal to 28. And 13 plus 12 is equal to 25. This is bigger. So this is the largest number. Root over 15 plus root over 13 is the largest. Now the different question. Suppose we can say root over 7, root over 6 is the one number, root over 9, root over 4, root over 8, root over 5, root over 10, root over 3. So, which is the largest? Which is the largest number? So, 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. 9 plus 4 is equal to also 13. 8 plus 5 is equal to also the same. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. Look here. In the previous question, 11 plus 9 is 20, 15 plus 13 is 28, 13 plus 12 is 25. So, this is the largest because this is 28. But here, all are same. Then what to do? If it is all are same, then you can solve it two ways. You can solve it in two ways. This is the first way. How you can solve? Multiply this. Multiply all these. 7 into 6. So, we can say 7 into 6 is equal to 42. 9 into 4 is equal to 36. And 8 into 5 is equal to 40. 10 into 3 is equal to 30. So, this is the maximum because this is 42, this is 40, 36, 30. As this is maximum is 42, so we can say that this number is the largest number. We can say root over 7 plus root over 6 is the largest. You can apply this law also. This is the second way you can solve this. How? Find the difference. Find the difference. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. and 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Okay. 7 minus 6 means that is root 7 minus root 6. So I have written 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. It was there root over 9 plus root over 4. Root over 7 plus root over 6. So 7 minus 6. 9 minus 4. 8 minus 5. 10 minus 3. I have written here. This answer is 1. This is 3. This is 5. And this is 7. So the smallest difference is the largest number. The smallest difference is the largest number. So which is the smallest? 1. So this is the largest. So the largest number is root 7 plus root 6. Is it clear? Again I am telling. First, root 7 plus root 6, root 9 plus root 4, root 8 plus root 5 and root 10 plus root 3 all are 13. Because 7 plus 6 13, 9 plus 4 13, 8 plus 5 13 and 10 plus 3 13. So what to do? Find the difference. 7 minus 6 is 1, 9 minus 4 is 5, 8 minus 5 is 3 and 10 minus 3 is 7. So the difference is minimum here. So this is the largest number. And the difference is maximum here. Root 10 plus root 3. 10 minus 3 is the 7. The difference is maximum here. So this is the smallest number. Okay. Number 5. If the question is like this. Root over 6 minus root over 5. Here all are minus. Okay. Previously all are plus. Here it is minus. And root over 7 minus root over 6. Root over 3 minus root over 2. And root over 5 minus root over 4. Find the largest number. Find the largest number. Root over 6 minus root over 5, root over 7 minus root over 6, root over 3 minus root over 2, root over 5 minus root over 4. Look, here all the difference is 6 minus 5 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1, 3 minus 2 is also 1 and 5 minus 4 is also 1. So what to do? This is the case for the maximum minus. Okay. So what to do? Just add all these numbers. Just add all these numbers. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. 7 plus 6 equal to 13. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Just add the number. This is a short tricks. Within second you can give the answers. So here, which is the minimum? This is minimum. This is minimum. So that minimum, the figure came here minimum is the answer for the largest number. Now, which is the largest? Which is the largest? This is largest. Because this value comes minimum here. This value comes minimum here. Root 3 minus root 2. And which is the smallest number? Because this value come here maximum. So which is the smallest? Root 7 minus root 6. Is the smallest. Very, very important. Thank you.